Welcome to Belt Conveyor Guarding's ergonomic overview video. Quite often, ergonomics is overlooked when designing fixed machine guards. Here are a few ergonomic tips that should be considered when looking to guard your equipment. Tip number 1. All removable guards should weigh less than 50 pounds so they are easily handled by one person. Guards should have labels that tell the worker how much the guard weighs before they attempt to lift or remove it. Tip number 2. Installing handles on guards allows the worker a comfortable means of handling the guard safely. Handles that are rubber coated ensures a non-slip grip. Handles bolt onto the guard mesh and can be oriented in any direction to best suit your needs. Tip number 3. Securing the guards using wedge clamps provides a hassle-free way of removing and reinstalling guards. Wedge clamps mean no loose hardware and no seized threads. Note: cable ties are required where regulations require a tool to remove the guard. Tip number 4. Securing the lower portion of the guards with guard seats helps to support the guard while opening and closing the wedge clamps. Guard seats also allow the worker to test the weight of the guard before fully removing it from the wedge clamps. Tip number 5. Guard hangers allow the workers to hang the guards on adjacent guards, thereby eliminating trip hazards and reducing bending movements. Unique guard hangers design also allow guards to be hung on walkway handrails. Guard hangers are rubber coated to prevent slippage on conveyor inclines. Guard hangers bolt onto the guard mesh, making installation quick and simple. Tip number 6. For applications that require frequent access for maintenance or material sampling, inspection doors offer quick and easy access without having to lift and remove the entire guard. Inspection doors bolt onto the guard mesh, making installation simple and quick. Minor injuries like back strains caused by poor ergonomics could cost more than you think. We use the OSHA Safety Pays calculator to estimate what one strain occurrence would cost. Injury type: back strain. Instances: 1. Direct cost $32,959. Indirect cost $36,254. The total cost $69,213. The additional sales needed to cover the indirect cost is $278,883. So the additional sales needed to cover the total cost is $532,407. Remember, if you're going to guard, guard smart. Stay away, stay safe.